guys, welcome to the channel. Today it's 34 degrees out and we're gonna get a cold start on Stella. Stella's my white car, 94 Cobra, if you didn't know. Then we're gonna go get Tyler. Dropping. As we did this brake over here because he destroyed his rotor with some shitty brake pads, and yeah, so we're just gonna do this one while we're at it. We need better pads.
Yeah, we're just doing pads on
yeah,
this one.
not a rotor though. And we'll get to it. So I just got yelled at by my neighbor. He just started complaining about how loud my car was. That's a first. I had that car for like a good amount of time now. I've been yelled at when I came back. Look at that brake pad. That looks nice, Tyler.
Thanks.
Oh man. Alright. You got the oil bath.
What runs he hit?
Oh.
Because it just got oil bath and I slammed my head against the frame. Slam.
You can see it. What you were just doing?
Pad ain't coming out.
So what were you doing to try and fix that?
A crowbar.
A crowbar on the rotor?
A little bit.
Let's look at the damage here.
Good old rest. Gotta love it.
See, that car will not be going through the winter.
Man, that's some extreme drift fluid out there.
Yeah, but see, the thing is, it's lowered, for one. And, it's rear-wheel drive.
Really?
And I think it would just sit there and spin for like 10 minutes. Like, no matter where I go. Unless I had you in the back. I might get some traction.
Thanks.
Oh, man. Wow, that looks healthy. That looks real healthy.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
As long as my gas tank ain't falling out, we're good.
Honestly, that'd be kind of funny. Yours off-roading and the gas tank just kind of falls out.
Probably that.
I gotta find that tool.
C-plant?
Yeah.
What tool?
Come here. There you are. This is the one, right? Or is this smaller? I feel like this is smaller than what we use.
Yeah.
I can compress that right now, probably. Alrighty. Oh, I might have compressed it. He's cleaning his brakes.
Watch that one.
So I pretty much got this all hooked up here. No, this is my bolt. Use your own bolt.
No, we're probably doing shit wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know we're probably doing stuff wrong. You can let us know. We're learning.
Yeah, we're learning as we go. Both YouTube stuff and car stuff. But honestly,
at least we have interest in this stuff.
Yeah.
I like working with
That's kind of loose.
It's fine. Once the air wants to
go compress.
Compresses it.
Alright.
The other one was like this.
Kind of like being under here. Hopefully we can use this content because we can be close to some things and I'm hoping it focuses. Here, go turn it on. Compress it. Why don't you use the torque bar on this? I mean, it's only your brakes, you know?
Oh, yeah.
It's only your brakes. I'm so surprised it's still going.
Never do enough of this stuff.
That WD-40?
No, unfortunately we don't have any WD-40, so we gotta use this.
So that wheel's rubbing a little bit, and I think it's from that one pad that
Well, it's not rubbing, it's just very stiff to move.
yeah, and it's just from that one pad that we had like kind of torqued on there.
No, like I said, we're learning. Tell us what we did wrong. We can take it.
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll find out if they have brakes or not.
That was a good experiment.
So, yeah, we're gonna eventually get a new camera because this camera is not the best. And,
If we get more views, we can get money and buy a better camera.
yeah, well, that would be a while. But all right, so now we're just cleaning up. And we're gonna head over to Anchor Marine
Oh, let's show them what you did.
for a prop because when I was taking my boat out of the water, it got a little shallow and yeah, I decided.
We go fishing.
Nice. We go fishing. And it decided to do this to itself. It wasn't me at all. It's all the prop's fault. It's not my fault.
I was like, Blondie, I think you're hitting the bottom.
No, we're not.
No. No.
So there's like no, like, yeah, it kind of just like destroyed the steel. Actually, you think it's aluminum or?
I don't know. I'm not a boat person.
Well, let's test it out. Well, yeah. So I have to go get a new one of those. Luckily, the gears actually look alright, which is a good thing. So that means we didn't shred the gears on the actual. Actually, well, let's see. Yeah, it looks alright. Really?
Honestly, I could tell. Well, I got rust in mine.
I don't care. You should have drank your damn rusty coffee. Yeah, I could go for another coffee too.
I'm not a big coffee guy, but
Yeah, but that was a good coffee. That's why we just like work on cars and like do stupid stuff with that. Wow. Yeah, we don't do sports, guys. Do you need me to move Stella? I guess I'll move Stella. She's just so loud. I already got yelled at her. You know, I haven't got any complaints yet, and I was the first one today. This lady comes running out, and I come over to my house, and she's just like yelling at me about how my car is illegal and whatnot. And I'm like, okay, I'm sorry. Like, I just gotta be respectful, you know? But at the same time, it was kind of dumb because nothing about my car is illegal. It's 25 years old. I'm allowed to have whatever exhaust I want on it. Tyler, what the hell? These kids. But yeah, it's shouldn't be illegal like she likes to say, but whatever. It's respectful. And one thing I want to get straight is that I'm not like rude when I come in the neighborhood either. I'm like just quiet, don't rev my engine and stuff. You're always gonna have people like that, I guess. And there's. Oh, jeez. Tyler, what'd you make me do last night?
So yesterday, we didn't get on camera and whatnot because it was a fun night.
Yeah.
But I saw this pile of leaves and I was like, Blondie, it would be cool if you backed into the leaves and just revved. Leaves went everywhere.
Yeah. And also, yesterday I set a car alarm off with my exhaust on campus.
We raced a new 5.0.
Oh yeah, the 5.0 is, oh, Jesus. So we raced this new 5.0. Didn't really race it because I knew I was gonna lose, but it was an E85 tune. That thing was loud, louder than my car, and that's saying something.
What kind of exhaust is it?
Corsa
exhaust.
Corsa exhaust.
And it actually hurt our eardrums.
Yeah, you would fly by us and it was rip your eardrums apart. Alright, so Tyler has a story for you.
So it's October right now, right? And Halloween's coming up. We like to go big for Halloween. I like Halloween.
I want to really know.
It's awesome. So last year, I had this great idea. I was watching Dukes of Hazzard. I was like, you know what? We should take our group and be the Dukes of Hazzard. We bought a car. We bought a what was it, an 04 Pontiac 5?
Yeah, it's like an 0405.
Rattle canned it and like paint rolled it orange and put an 01 on it.
It was so good.
Slid across the hood. We went we were 17.
Yeah.
Going trick-or-treating. Who cares though? It was fun. Everyone loved it. That did not have brakes.
Yeah, it did not have any brakes. Fox body. And a Cougar.
Just gave it a good old downshift every time we went to stop. Like if you slam on the brakes, then they
then they work.
stopped, but there was pretty much nothing there. But
I'll put a video up, a picture
we'll
of
put
it
a picture of it generally up
in the video.
And but that Halloween was awesome.
Yeah, I was Bo Duke and he was Luke Duke.
I don't think we have any videos of it, but we also took the car into a field and tried climbing like a rock hill. It was pretty steep. The bumpers fell off. It was a good time.
And then he sold it for the same price we got it for. Oh boy, Tyler's about to send it. That guy's probably like, what the hell?
Just off of it.
Ooh, never mind, that's a different Ram. There's another Ram on the island here. That sounds amazing. Splashing the doesn't get stuck, so. Oh wow. There's something important message to tell you.
Oh no. We also make stickers, you know. Like this nice runner. This is a 4Runner with stuff in it. But yeah, we can make stickers for you. Let us know what you want.
Yeah, just comment in the comment section or message us on Instagram. We can try to work something out. All right, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's get in there. Oh. It's like a ping pong balls in there. Oh yeah.
No.
No. Here's some gas. Yeah, nice cold start on the 45-degree day. What do you guys think? Should we keep it or sell for something better? What's going on here, Tyler? Really? That's what they got going on for the overflow. That's running good. All right. Oh. Nice backfire. The lady earlier that came and complained about my car being too loud, we're just gonna do something to piss her off. So,
Ready?
yeah. Yeah, they're gonna go piss her off. And just to make it even more stupid, they're putting two people on a 125. So. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna wrap the video up here. And we're just gonna do some carb work on this 200. It's not very fast, but just gonna clean the carb out a little bit more. And probably just end it here. Not gonna record this because that's kind of boring. I don't think anyone wants to see carb work.
Like and subscribe.
But yeah, and then tell us if you want stickers too.
And let us know what content that you want to see.
Yeah, what content? Holy sh! Knickerdoodles.
Ugga
Yeah.
That's true.
See you guys later.